Day 5 of Black Barn expansion. Today was a little slower. I don't have my helper and I'm feeling pretty tired, but I'm trying to get the flooring started in here, and I'm also doing the rest of the canvas on the walls and some trim work. So the flooring went pretty easy, and now I can finally finish up almost all the canvas in there. I just got a few more little trim pieces around the front door and around that opening. But I'm feeling tired and I had to head to the county to do some paperwork, and then I'm standing on the roof now because I need to do some flashing. It's just always fun to watch the goats messing around all day long. That's all they do. Now that the sun is down, it's kind of nice to work up here on the roof. The sheep are starting to get ready for bed. As the sun goes down, they always find that little spot, and the babies make a little hole in the grass. And I'm gonna do a quick 360 of the property. So basically the creek is beyond the fence. That right there is Silver Chalet. In the back are the A-frames. Red roof with meadow view, and the barn always looking fancy. Now I'm ready for dinner. And that's a wrap.